Hello and welcome to the next video in this series of how to use EyeCommander. In this video, I'm going to show you how to output using the keyboard output method. So first of all, you can make sure that the keyboard output is selected in your settings. So if you open up your settings, and then if you go to the output mode, you'll see there's two output modes. There's the grid output mode and the keyboard emulator. So we're going to leave it on the keyboard emulator just now. What this does is this converts our blink into a space command. So it will hit the space bar every time we blink. I'm now going to demonstrate this using PowerPoint. So I'm going to open up PowerPoint and I'm going to just play this demo PowerPoint from the beginning. Now every time I press spacebar normally, it changes slides. Now if I try blinking, it also changes slides. It's as simple as that. That's how to use your blinks to control your keyboard output.